And now let's do a measurement in a region of interest to measure the ratio of two different phases. For example, I want to measure in this region, what is the ratio of the white area to the black area. So first, we can manually set a threshold. For the first one, we can call it white. And if I'm happy with this detection, I'm just going to leave it. And we're going to start a new one, add the face. Just remember when you added the second face is always added behind the first one. It cannot be added on the previous one. So we actually have to shift this one to detect the black region. And we use the second one to detect the white one. You can just move it around a little bit to cover most of it. There's going to be some surface regions in between. It's not fall into a category. It's maybe gray or in between. Just set up the region match to your purpose. This is black now. And we change this one into white. Once you're happy with this, just do countermeasure. And we can see they detected not exactly all the red, only the green. That's because we already set up some detection options here that cut it off. So as we're going to do a region of interest measurement, I'm just going to draw a region of interest. So if that's the region of interest, I'm going to do detection options. So instead of like measure the whole thing in the frame, I'm going to do a ROI measurement. I want it to be truncated. So I want this everything within this region to be measured. And again, I choose to separate the JSON borders. I want the minimum value will be 1 pixel. I want everything counted in. And just click OK. I have to measure and count again. And you can see it's only measured in the ROI regions. And if you zoom in a little bit, we just quit this tool. And we can zoom in a little bit to see if you're happy with it. If you're happy with, okay, this is we can see the white and the face, the red mask covers all the black. I'm happy with this one, and we can see in the object measurement, in the content measure result, you can see the result immediately reflected in the chart. And you can see the class measurement here with the figure and black and white, some of the area fractions as a percentage, and relative object counted as a percentage. And you can do a class histogram as well to quickly to see it, see if the actually matches what you want to see here. And you can group them into class, or you can group them into ROI. For example, if I draw another ROI here, if we go to content measure and add another ROI, we just do right here, and we do content measure. It will measure these two ROI. And then we can, in this option, we can group them into ROI. You can see for the region 1 and for the region 2. We can bring this window up a little bit so you can actually see the figure. That's just how you measure two faces with the different ratios.